morning, my name is Jacob Pichu with Florida Structural Group. We're back here on Gordon Drive in Naples. We're finishing up with our final cap pour. This project consisted of 157 feet of true line panels, 16 concrete dead men, and 18 tie rods. Today we will be finishing up this project with roughly 15 yards of concrete with fill and compaction and our final survey and final inspection. To learn a little bit more about what we do here at FSG, visit our website at floridastructuralgroup.com.